DJ, me say, hey, what are we Chinford hard for find? Me say, Lord have mercy. Me coming down the road, you know, me ask a lady when me can't find Hazel Road. You know what the lady say? Turn left and you'll be right. I say, woman, don't be impertinent. Which one of the road I can take to come around here? You know, take anyone me love. None of them don't belongs to me. He said, me so glad me come down here. Me say, me have one uncle, he said, the man drink so much rum, them boy, yeah, doctor can't find him bloodstream. All them find the other day is a rum stream. Yes, the doctor give him 6 months to live, but him can't pay the bill, so them a give him another 6 months. Me say, them decide, say, yeah, them say them have to send him to Canada because he drink too much rum, and them put him on the plane, you know, and send him to Canada. As the man come out of Canada, the first big sign the man say, drink Canada dry. Him say, pull up in that bar there right now. The lady say, you look like you're drunk already, you can't get no rum. Him say, alright, give me a cup of coffee. She said, this is Canada, abbreviation country. If you want a cup of coffee, you have to say COC, please. If you want peas and rice, PAR. But my uncle very, very educated, you know. Him say COC. When them give him the cup of coffee, him say PIWS. She said, what? Him say, put in some sugar. Him say, me not done with you yet. Him say, SHIT. She said, what? Him say, see now with TS, man. I cuss him, and CUNT. She said, what? I'll see you next Thursday. Pikachu, the make DJ, why you bad dance like yours? And God. What is the DJ? What is that? Everybody come here, I don't hear nobody sing no happy birthday, so me want to hear if you can count from 10 back way. So me want 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mother. Happy birthday to you. We have 2 birthdays now. One. Hip hip hip. Hip hip hip. Alright, since me do that now, let me clear the here now. Let me tell you something. One little boy upon the road that eat pure chocolate. Me say, little boy like you're not supposed to eat so much chocolate, you know, boy. Because if you eat so much chocolate, you won't live for long, you know. My grandfather lived to be 150 years old. Say, you see that? Because you never eat chocolate. Say, no, because he mind him own business. And me man, big wing, me just come off of the plane. Me say one piece of thing out of Heathrow. The pilot come on the pulpit. Ladies and gentlemen, we have lost an engine on the plane. However, don't worry, this plane is equipped with 4 engines, so we're still going on 3 cylinder. Later on, he come back. Ladies and gentlemen, we have lost the 2nd engine. Here, one lady have come from Jamaica. Him better not last no more engine. If it last one more, we up here for the whole day. He said, crash. Why? Yes, I'm here so one plane crash. Yeah, here so one plane crash. Now 3 people survive. 1 Chinese woman and 1 Jamaican and a Syrian. As the plane crashed, so the Chinese woman, she get some powder and powder up herself. Yeah, the other one of me, well, me I get some gold chain. I want them to rescue me first. The Jamaican woman pop off her clothes, me sis, and paint herself in a black. Yeah, the woman, why you paint yourself in a black for? When a plane crash, the first thing the man look for the black box. Pikachu, that is the music man. Pikachu, the village. Lord of mercy. What a sweet birthday. Oh God. What did they selector, Lord? Hey, me say me have a woman up at the yard that give me a hard time. Last night, me a knock on the door now. Wifey, open the door here now. Who is out there? Me say, me man, Bingi, Congo, Nati, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, and conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. You don't wanna, well, I mean, one in here, me now open the door to someone. Me say the woman drape me up last night. I want you to make love to me tonight. Like hurricane. Me say, oh, you mean hurricane? Go in at the kitchen and get a pan of water. Me say, when me fi do the water? Flick the water upon me. Me say, where the water is? Rain. Turn on the light now and turn it off. Me say, what the light, darling? Lightning. Open the door now and slam it. Me say, what the door? Thunder. She say, all right, come make love to me in bed now. Me say, sorry, darling, me can't make love now. This is weather. Me not choose the from me select from me CD. Oh God, what a selector, God. Hey, what did they seize? Hey, me eye not so good again because I go up a Marfield Hospital and then lays out my eye, you see. Yeah, I'm a joke business. Me have a little wine cane here, but don't worry yourself. And when me in them hear one man come in and say, me now make them laser me eye because peer train me up here and them, you know, you give one man me say get a job as a blind man and he knock on the woman door. And she say, who is out there? He says, the blind man. She said, well, a blind man, me have to put on no clothes then. And the woman come at the door naked as the day she was born. So you're the blind, you know. But he said, you're the blind man, woman, you look good. She said, oh, you're so lie. You tell me you're the blind man. He said, me are the blind man. Yeah, so you want me hang up these blinds. Why? Belly. Hey, me now come all the way from Jamaica. This is a big birthday. What a sweet birthday. Lord have mercy. And this should have been Jamaica down Ugly Park Road. Boy, what a way nice up here. My friend used to come and me show all the while, so me come all the way down here to come. Yeah, man. Come me say me going to one toilet out of each other. When me go in there, you one lady now. Sorry, me love. This is for the ladies. Me just pull my pants and say, and so is this. I want to bring me down here fast. Hey, let me tell you something, man. Me's a poor man and me blind and everything. So me a beg on a little old man say, Penguin, well, what is the greatest nation in the whole world? Me say, the white or the black? He said, no, my son, the greatest nation is donation, beg you £5. So me have my DVD, well, my new DVD, two of them out there. If you buy 2 million, one free. Yes, man. Over £5 each. Me have to advertise myself. Me a go now, but before me go, me have to give you this joke here. Me say them have a new machine where they spend over £35 million for catch thief. And then send the machine to Canada and catch about 600 thieves. Then them send it to New York. 500 thieves. I'm going to make mistake and send the machine to Jamaica and just thief the machine. So I send them dirty machine to Jamaica. Thief that. Don't carry them thing on my country. Alright, give me number 3 per man. Give me number 4 then. Yes, let me sing a song. Hey, let me sing a song for the birthday boy right before we go away, you see? Because me name Penguin, you know. Yes, man, link it them, me hear my son. What? I wish one you get the man. You get the wrong one? Yeah? Yes. Yeah, man. Sure, what is going on in this place? Lord of mercy. Some big star now. You have to watch when I sing, you know. I believe that in the birthday tonight, everybody will get blessed. I believe that anyone who goes astray, someone will come. Every time I hear a newborn baby cry, or touch a leaf, or see the sky, then I know I believe. Now I know we can't sing it. In the stars somewhere, a candle glow. I believe that in the stars somewhere, he's everywhere. Now get dirty now. Every time I hear a newborn baby cry. Never put up a Michael Jackson hat. I touch a leaf or see the sky, then I know I believe. Every time I hear a newborn baby cry, I touch a leaf or see the sky, then I know because woman there so and say penguin me want try a DVD a £5 darling and a free. Well if you buy two me give me give one free. And see alright one movie where star by me and me have peer joke on one of them. You say yes darling, yeah. When me go on my big function me get 10, but you know it's alright give me 5. Yeah. Me say them have a execution, you see, them have a Chinaman, a Jamaican and a Syrian. Last joke this. Them have a Chinaman, a Jamaican and a Syrian for execute. They call it Chinaman. Before we execute you, we want to know what is the last word. The Chinaman said, I used to do electrician work many times. I've been shocked. Electric don't pose no problem to me. Shot me and done. Them the it's a chain, we turn on the electric, and for the first time in the history of this prison, there's no electric in the building. You're free to go. They call the Syrian man, what is your last word? Just like the Chinaman, I do construction work. Shot me and done. No electric. They call the Jamaican man before him shut him up. What is your last word? Say, look man, the thing not plug in. Plug it in. If you want electric, that's a shock. Push it in and shock where I shock. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We gone now, you see. But it's so nice. If you're young and beautiful, you're credit to nature. And if you're old and beautiful, you are a work of art. Thank you very much, alright? Nick it now, Mr. Soulman, till 4 o'clock tomorrow. Hey, what is that? Hey, ladies and gentlemen, me now no care for go home, so anybody go at me this time. And they can't give me a drive, go down there, because me can't walk from Chinford. So, yes, and if you don't want one DVD, me stand up right beside the bar out there, so yes. Alright, Mr. Music Man, you are take over for the night. Lord of mercy. I'm a friend, but he play the music like the enemy. What?
Oh my God. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Penguin.